So hopefully na natandog nato ang mga manindutong kasing-kasing sa atong audience, and before we go, ma'am, again I would like to thank my brother in Catholic Men's Fellowship, si Brad Amado. Brad Amado, please come over. Para makita ka sa camera. Mugin niya akong brother, very helpful sa mga masakiton. This is not his first time, to bring a patient here and to help a patient. In fact, akong i-mention kayo na neck cancer, nagdala po siya 3 liters man siguro ito kayo And I think that helped because we are prolonging ang kinabuhi ato buhay gyapon siya, though she's still fighting. Pero kini this is a labor of love ni Amado, helping people cope up with the illness, giving energy, and the idea of improving the immune system. But Amado, tama kay kahibalo sa atong audience?
Alang sa mga naminaw karon, kung kinsa tong nanginahanglan akong ubos nga inyong alagad ni Kristo sa andam nga matabang bawa ko singlon.
Ya tinuod na si Brad Amado, sige ni siya upang hatag aning energizer. Ako addicted na gani kaniya energizer kay makakusog yun, As I've said, this is a labor of love na siya yun mismo ang gatuon, ga-harvest, gatanom sa atong mga herbs,
Nagitay sariling tanom.
Dahil sariling tanom. And our televiewers know that though I am a medical doctor, I advocate alternative medicine. I support efforts on herbs, mga halamang gamot, Of course, cannot deny nga ang atong green tea is very helpful, Brad, Ang mga we're so blessed in the Philippines with a lot of herbs that is therapeutic in a way, di ba? Makatabang yun sa ato. Plus our honey, gahapon gitagaan ko ni. I'll take this opportunity also to thank a parishioner from UPI, sa bukid daw sa UPI, to Father Pon, kung gidalan ko din daw mga 2 liters of honey, hopefully I can bring that to the United States before on my way back there karong Wednesday. At this one also I'll bring it to the United States, Brad, ipakita na ako. Kini siguro medyo bugat na this is for my own personal consumption. But kining mga tea kay kuan kayo, you can really experience murag gina-boost bitaw imong energy when you drink this, Especially if you have common cough or common colds, you just add, gusto ninyo, butangan ninyo calamansi, para to have like calamansi flavor, and depende sa uban, ang uban, butangan nila honey, sa ilang tea, But in my case, I just get mga lukewarm water. I prefer hot tea, so I drink it as parang mula bitaw alternate with coffee. We know that green tea is an antioxidant, Coffee also is an antioxidant. So, plus some other antioxidants that worth mentioning right now, Kanang mangosteen, antioxidant, the virgin coconut oil, Especially the brand Coco Charms, The virgin coconut oil is a good energy health booster also, We support Coco Charms. The brand is Coco Charms in capsule form. Usually, we tell our patients to take it mga 1 to 2 capsules a day. So you can also try this, virgin coconut oil. It protects you from having infection. Okay? Especially if mag-chemo ka panangitan or mag-cobalt ka, when your immune system will go down, you need kind of a protection. Kaya basic usually mga cancer patients, they don't die really of cancer. They die of the infection. Or sometimes they die because of blood loss, anemia, severe anemia. But severe anemia plus the white blood cell is also low, so they have the tendency to get infected with pneumonia, or sepsis, where there is severe infection in the blood. Muna yung ginakamatay sa kadaghanan sa cancer patients. So get as much supplements as you can, in the form of juice like this one. Affordable lang, don't get the more expensive ones na ginabaligya through the internet or ginabaligya sa multi-level, mahal kaayo. But in fact, we have our homegrown no, as good or even better, maybe natural lang yun, no. And we assure you this is really clean, no, limpyo, no. Though dili ta pareha sa uban ng murag social ang dating sa packaging, but ang importante ang epekto, no. Di man tato nang kaon ng packaging, ang importante ang sunod man, no. So we support, no, the work of Brad Amado, and hopefully, no, we get subsidy from the government or from non-government organization na makapag-manufacture na yun ang Brad Amado, daghan yun ba, no? Para we can provide the whole country with our supply of Energizer, no? We call it Energizer, no? Padali tandaan ba, Energizer. The virgin coconut oil coco charms, ang ilang presentation is health booster, no? Kay Brad Amado na produkto is Energizer. So thank you, sir. Thank you, Brad, for your support, and may God bless you.